Yeah, good afternoon. And did you finish your lunch? Okay, which department are you studying? Okay, which department are you working? Technical. Okay, are you working government, private, or any IT sector, or what else? Private. Okay. How long have you been working? 20 years. Oh my goodness. Okay, which state do you belong to? Okay, okay. You told me you don't belong to any state. It's okay, no issue. Then you tell me how long have you been using this platform? 4 5 months. Okay. Who suggested you this platform to use? How did you know about this platform? Okay. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with co-learner? Okay, that's good. Miss, how do you make them understand or how do you make improve their language? Do you teach them? Mhm. Okay, while interact with them, if they make mistake, you correct their mistake, right? Mhm. Right. Okay, how did you learn this accent? Your accent similar with foreigner. You never speak like a Indian accent. How did you learn? You are foreigner, really? Okay, you talked with daily with foreigner, right? That's why your accent similar with foreigner, is it? Yep, yep, you are right. How did you know? Through my accent, right? Right. Mother tongue influence in my English, right? That's why you know about me. I'm from Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha? Because you know, Odia and Bengali language both are similar. That's why you identify and you figure out my accent, right? Right. My English is MTI, mother tongue influence. I am trying to overcome MTI in English language. How can I do it? I don't know, but I am trying. But if anyone interact with me, they immediately figure out I am from east part of India. You evaluate because right now we talk each other. Less 1 to 3 years. Yep, yep. Right now I am at home. I am talking with you. Yep. How did you means figure out my profile through platform? Miss my miss this platform logo profile. How miss you send me message, right? After that I send you message or what else? Okay, but in this day I don't use regularly or I never. Okay, what which voice room did you see me? Okay, okay, that's when you know about me, right? Maybe, maybe. I joined less in this platform, and if I get time, then I come and I interact with the caller now, and that's why I send you message. Okay, you tell me how did you learn this accent? I want to know because I am a language learner. How did you make that kind of sound in foreigner? Okay, it is a secret, but let me know. I want to speak like you. I want to make a sound like you because I want to enhance my English speaking. I want to speak. Then tell me.